Hi, I'm Sharon Jose and I post videos every Saturday. I'd be really glad if you could take one moment to subscribe down to my channel and also click the bell notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So for today's video, as you might have guessed from the title, I'm going to do a Korean skincare routine at home. So basically, not many of us can invest a lot in high-end skincare products, and during quarantine, it's very difficult to find the products that we always use. That's why I've come up with this Korean skincare routine that can be done at home with your own products that can be available in any kitchen. So as we take care of our hair and our body, our skin also requires a lot of maintaining to be done. So to maintain the pH balance, that is the alkalinity and the acidity, the skin requires certain amount of minerals and vitamins that's essential to keep it glowing and healthy. At that time is when our skincare comes in the picture. Skincare routine is one of the most important routine that I personally feel we shouldn't be ever skipping on. That's why I've come up with easy DIYs that can be done at home and can also achieve a really glowing and a healthy skin. Now, whenever we hear Korean skincare or Korean products, the main and the best ingredient that Koreans use is made out of rice and rice products. So rice is basically like the hero factor in all of the skincare products that can be seen in Korea. That's why in today's video, whatever we are going to be done would be having some parts where rice would be involved and could be used in various different varieties on our skin that will help us have a very glowing skin. We all know how rice is amazing on our hair. The same way rice also acts as a very amazing product and beneficial product for our face as well because of its DIY remedies also, and it goes easy on our pockets. So basically, I'm going to share this whole video step by step, and I will be showing you how we can achieve a very glowing skin tone and even tone by the end of this video. The Korean skincare basically focuses on double cleansing. So for the first step, we are going to cleanse our face first. This is the Prima Donna Light and Color Olive Oil. This will dissolve the impurities, which will help us get rid of the skin's clogged pores. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use a cotton pad and sink in the oil, all of that on the skin, and lightly tap it on my skin, getting rid of all the leftover makeup. The next step that we're going to go into is the water-based cleanser. So for the water-based cleanser, I'm going to use a dollop of honey, some milk, and mix it and apply it on my face. Now if you do not have milk at home, you can definitely substitute it with water as well. Now what the water-based cleanser does, it helps us to remove the oil, residue or the dirt that's been stuck onto our face, and honey will help us keep the skin nourished while also getting rid of any other impurities. So after applying the whole mixture and keeping it for 5 to 6 minutes, I'm gonna go and wash off my face. So after washing my face with some lukewarm water, I'm just gonna pat dry it so that there is no moisture or wetness in my face left, because for the next step, that is exfoliation, we need to have a really clean and dry skin. For creating the exfoliator mixture, the first thing that we need is 2 tablespoons of raw rice. Now you can grind this rice, but do not make it into fine powdery form, just let it be semi. The next what we need is 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of honey and little bit of water just to mix it all up. We have to apply this on a dry and clean skin and leave it on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, when you notice a slight tightening on the skin, wet your fingers a little bit with water and then start rubbing it in a circular motion to exfoliate. Be gentle, do not go in hard motions. And after you're done exfoliating, wash it out with plain water. Now this is one step that I think you shouldn't ever miss, because exfoliation is really helping in always getting out of all our dry and dead skin cells without feeling raw or irritated on our skin. After applying the whole mixture on your face, we have to wait for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. That's when your skin will start to get tightening, and that's when you will actually feel a little bit of your skin getting pulled. Exactly at that time is where your fingers and start tapping and making the skin a little bit loose. Then later on you can go in and wash off your face with some water. So after applying the exfoliator and washing my face off, the fourth step gonna go into is the toner. What I'm gonna use is some cotton pads dipped in green tea. Now green tea acts as a really good toner for the face. It contains a very powerful antioxidant called as the ECG, which also helps to repair our DNA damage. It will kind of help us balance the skin's pH level and will also help us tighten our pores and help us leave our skin feeling refreshed. Now after that's done, the next step that we are going to go into, which is step 5. So in this step we are going to apply a really subtle sheet mask so that it absorbs all of the oils and all of the moisture that we did in this whole step routine. So today what I'm going to use is this hydrating rose water cream mask. You can basically use any mask that's available at your place. If you do not have the mask, you can always skip and use essential oils. So tea tree oil or any oil of your preference can be used on your face, just a little bit, to get a really good glow on your face after all of the skincare that you have just done. So I have washed my face with some lukewarm water after applying the whole face mask. As you can see, there's already a lot of glow. You can also see how clear the skin has started to be. For the next and the final step, we all know that's the moisturizer. Now for the moisturizer today, what I'm going to use is some white rice. So this is basically overcooked white rice that I'm going to use today as a moisturizer. And in Korea and Japan, white rice has been used as a really good natural beauty for like thousands of ages. So today also I'm going to use some white rice on my face as moisturizer. So it will leave a really soft and a very smooth finish onto my face. Rice also acts high in minerals like calcium and iron. It's definitely smooth and it will help us brighten our skin as well. It will also help cure acne, outbreak, redness, etc. After making this mixture of the white rice, you can basically store it in the fridge for about 10 to 15 days. So what we're going to do first is I'm just going to take some white rice, wash it and soak it for about 1.5 hours. After that, I have to cook the rice till it turns mushy or somewhat overcooked. Then we have to strain it and take the rice paste out. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Also, do not forget to check these remedies out and do let me know in the comment section below what more videos would you like to watch. Until then, stay tuned and stay safe. Bye.